The film opens with a sequence shown in reverse, और उल्टे क्रम में दिखाई गई. A Polaroid photograph develops backward, fading from an image of a dead man into a blank white, और खाली सफेद. Leonard Shelby, an insurance investigator, is hunting for the man who raped and murdered his wife. Leonard suffers from anterograde amnesia, the inability to form new long-term memories after a trauma, और आघात के बाद नई लंबी अवधि की यादें बनाने में असमर्थता. His memory lasts only a few minutes, forcing him to rely on an elaborate system of notes, Polaroids, and tattoo. He lives by a set of self-made rules, और स्वनिर्मित नियम. Facts are written down, और तथ्य लिखे जाते हैं. Important clues are photographed, और महत्वपूर्ण सुरागों की तस्वीरें ली जाती हैं. The most critical information is permanently tattooed onto his body. He believes the killer's name is John G. or Jimmy G. He has a vital clue tattooed on his chest: find him and kill him. The story is told in two interleaved timelines: black and white sequences, shown chronologically, and color sequences, shown in reverse chronological order, और उल्टे कालानुक्रमिक क्रम में. The black and white scenes document Leonard's life in a cheap motel room, speaking on the phone to an unseen person. He explains his condition and recounts the story of Sammy Jankis. Sammy was a man Leonard investigated for an insurance claim who also suffered from memory loss, और याददाश्त खोना. Leonard believed Sammy's condition was psychological, not physical, and denied his claim. Sammy's wife, a diabetic, tested him repeatedly by asking him to administer her insulin shot. She hoped his love for her would break through the amnesia. Sammy eventually gave her multiple, fatal injections, proving his genuine disability. Leonard now uses Sammy's story as a cautionary tale and a justification for his method. The color sequences follow Leonard's immediate, minute-by-minute hunt. The film's final, color scene, which is the first one shown to the audience, shows Leonard shooting a man named Teddy. Teddy is an acquaintance who claims to be a cop. Leonard believes Teddy is John G., the killer, or Hatyara. Rewinding to the previous color scene, which is shown second, Leonard is driving away from a meeting. He's just killed a man named Jimmy Grants in a derelict building. Jimmy's girlfriend, Natalie, is a bar owner who Leonard trusts implicitly. Natalie has been helping Leonard, giving him information and a place to stay. After killing Jimmy, Leonard meets Teddy. Teddy reveals the shocking truth: Jimmy Grants was the real John G., the man who raped Leonard's wife. Teddy claims he helped Leonard find and kill Jimmy. Teddy is actually a corrupt cop named John Edward Gamble. This is where the black and white timeline merges with the color timeline, और रंग timeline के साथ विलीन हो जाती है. Teddy reveals he was the one on the phone in the black and white scenes. He has been manipulating Leonard for over a year, using his condition to trick him into killing various John for Teddy's own benefit. Jimmy Grants was Teddy's target because Jimmy had stolen a large sum of money from drug dealers. Teddy delivers the most devastating blow. Leonard himself killed his wife, और खुद लेनर्ड ने अपनी पत्नी को मार डाला. He didn't successfully stop the rapist. He killed him, but his wife survived the assault. The trauma of the rape and his condition caused his wife to pressure him. Like Sammy Jankis' wife, she needed certainty, or nishchitta. She had Leonard test her by asking him to give her insulin injections. Leonard, forgetting he had already given her one, administered a fatal overdose of insulin, or insulin की घातक overdose. Leonard repressed this memory, creating the two John story, one who killed his wife, and another, Sammy Jankis, whose wife died from an overdose. He merged the two stories to protect himself from the truth. The climax is Leonard's decision. He knows that every fact he has is a delusion, including the core mission of his life, or अपने जीवन का मूल mission. He chooses to destroy his own sense of reality, और अपनी वास्तविकता की भावना को नष्ट करना. He writes a note on the back of the Polaroid of a dead Jimmy Grants that says, Teddy is the killer. He tattoos Teddy's license plate number on his body. He consciously creates a new set of facts to chase an investigation into John G. that will target Teddy. Leonard's self-deception ensures he will forget Teddy's revelation within minutes, giving him a renewed purpose, or एक नया उद्देश्य. He chooses to live in a perpetual state of revenge, even if it means lying to himself forever. He takes Jimmy's car and drives away, satisfied that he has a new mission. This intentional manipulation of his own memory is the final, shocking act. It sets the stage for the film's opening scene, which is chronologically the end, where he shoots Teddy. Leonard Shelby is not just a victim of his condition, He's an active shaper of his own tragic reality. His final line is a chilling testament to his self-created purpose. Now, where was I? Ab, मैं कहाँ था? Don't let the truth slip away like Leonard's memories. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join the Hindi Repo family for more mind-bending movie explanations.